Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajaha and today we've got a very simple video. The top 50 cryptocurrencies in one line. Let's get straight to it. Bitcoin, the biggest and most well-known cryptocurrency. Its main function is a hedge against inflation and as a store of value, and is often referred to as digital gold. Ethereum is the currency of culture. It is the largest smart contract blockchain, offering hundreds if not thousands of decentralized applications for people to use, and it's also the largest NFT ecosystem. BNB is a relatively centralized smart contract blockchain that's really exploded over the last year because of meme coins. Most meme coins are found on the Binance Smart Chain network, but there are some interesting DeFi applications also found there. The Binance Smart Chain network has very low fees and is very easy to interact with. USDT is the largest stablecoin by market cap. It is always at $1. In theory, each USDT should be backed by $1, but we're not exactly sure whether or not this is the case. Solana is a fast and low-cost smart contract blockchain backed by a bunch of venture capitalists. Having said that, it has a thriving ecosystem with hundreds of DeFi applications and an NFT ecosystem probably second to Ethereum. ADA is a meme coin that's meant to be the Ethereum killer, but couldn't be more further away. USDC is the second largest stablecoin by market cap. XRP is a token created by Ripple Labs that's main function is to be a transfer of value across international borders. Its future may be impacted by the current legal case over whether or not XRP is a security. DOT is a blockchain that allows the interconnection of other chains using something called parachains. This will hopefully allow other blockchains to communicate with one another, but a lot is still in development. Luna is the native token for the Terra blockchain, which is a smart contract blockchain focusing on a bunch of DeFi applications. Luna has a very close relationship with another cryptocurrency, a stablecoin called UST, and the Terra blockchain is literally one of my favorites. It's one that we talk about on this channel a lot because of the amazing value we get from these DeFi applications. Dogecoin is an actual meme coin that was created quite a few years ago as a joke. Somehow it's blown up to be worth billions of dollars. Thanks Elon. AVAX is the native token for the Avalanche blockchain, which is a smart contract blockchain offering a variety of DeFi protocols and projects that you can get involved with. Avalanche has relatively low fees and has one of the highest TVLs in the crypto space. There's lots of amazing DeFi applications that I recommend trying out. Shiba is a meme coin created to become the Dogecoin killer. In 2021, it did momentarily overtake Dogecoin in terms of market cap, going from almost $0 to $30 billion in market cap, creating many millionaires along the way. Matic is the native token for the Polygon blockchain, which is a layer 2 smart contract blockchain, which is incredibly fast and incredibly cheap. I'm talking pennies per transaction. CRO is the official cryptocurrency for the Crypto.com platform. Its aim is to basically provide cheaper fees and a variety of rewards for its users. Binance USD is the official stable coin for the Binance Smart Chain network. Wrapped BTC is a derivative of Bitcoin that's been modified using smart contracts so that you can use it within your favorite DeFi applications. You can use your Wrapped BTC across a variety of different networks. Litecoin is often referred to as digital silver. Its function is to be a store of value and also a method of transferring value, and has very low fees when doing so. The Uni token is the official governance token for the Uniswap platform. Bear in mind that you do not need the token in order to access or use the platform itself. Algorand is a blockchain focused on research to help improve scalability and security within crypto. Tron is the native token for the Tron blockchain, which is a smart contract blockchain created by Justin Sun. Despite Tron being around for a long time, there isn't as many applications as there are on other chains. Chainlink is the largest and most well-known oracle in crypto. Oracles are important because they help to connect real-world data to a blockchain. UST or US Terra is an algorithmic stablecoin with a very close relationship with Luna. It is one of the largest growing stablecoins by market cap, and it's exploded over the last year because of its interaction with a variety of DeFi applications. Bitcoin Cash is a fork of Bitcoin that was created many years ago when there was a disagreement between members of the Bitcoin community. Stellar is a store of value and transfer of value cryptocurrency that requires only a fraction of a penny when transacting. It has a lot of connections with big tech and fintech firms. DAI is a decentralized and collateralized stablecoin, most often used in DeFi. NEAR is a smart contract blockchain that's up and coming with a variety of new DeFi applications. Mana is the in-game currency used for the Decentraland game. You can play this game for free by connecting with your MetaMask wallet, and Mana is used to kind of buy and sell things within the game, such as land. Axie is the official currency for the Axie Infinity game. It is used as an in-game currency. They also have their own blockchain called the Ronin chain. FTX is the official token for the FTX platform, which allows you to trade with leverage on the Ethereum blockchain. The token allows for lower fees and socialized gains. VET is the native token for the VeChain blockchain, which focuses on creating products for distribution and logistics. Cosmos is a blockchain focusing on interoperability through the Inter-Blockchain Community Protocol. Cosmos is a place for developers to come and create custom applications for specific blockchains. ICP is a native token for the Internet Computer Blockchain, which is a smart contract blockchain that only came out in 2021, but already has a variety of DeFi applications built on it. Elrond is a smart contract blockchain focusing on scalability, up and coming as they recently announced a liquidity incentive program. Ethereum Classic is a fork of Ethereum that was created in 2016 following a hack on the Ethereum network. Two groups of people wanted to go in different directions, and there was only one winner after that, and it wasn't Ethereum Classic. Sand is the in-game token for the Sandbox metaverse game. Again, it's used to buy and sell items within the game itself. HBAR is the native token for the Hedera network. It focuses on hashgraph technology rather than blockchain, which apparently makes it better. Decentralized applications are still in development. Theta is the governance token for the Theta network, which is built for video streaming. Users on the Theta network share bandwidth and computing resources. Tezos is a smart contract blockchain focusing on creating DeFi applications, but also has a thriving NFT ecosystem. Gala is a blockchain gaming platform on which multiple games are created. Items within these games can be bought and sold with one another, but a lot of these games are still in development. Lido staked Ether. This is Ethereum staked via the Lido finance application. Phantom is a native token for the Phantom blockchain. It is a high-speed, low-cost smart contract blockchain that has tons of DeFi applications on there, really high TVL, and some good ones that we should all check out. Monero is a privacy coin that allows people to make transactions without them being on the blockchain. People can make transactions anonymously, quickly, and inexpensively without the worry of being tracked. Clay is the native token for the Clayton blockchain, which is a smart contract blockchain aiming to help bring people to blockchain. EOS is a smart contract blockchain aiming to make it easy for developers to create decentralized applications. It is a developer-focused chain and has lots of tools on their website that allow people to create applications. Loopring is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, helping to reduce those gas fees and increase speed. The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying various networks like the Ethereum network. It allows everyone to publish open APIs that applications can query to retrieve blockchain data. Flow is a smart contract blockchain focusing on collectibles and NFTs. Cake is an inflationary farm token built on its decentralized exchange, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is the #1 decentralized application built on the Binance Smart Chain that allows people to trade tokens with one another. So that's the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.